Designed to challenge and entertain, this quiz covers a wide range of topics like science and technology, food and nutrition, sports, entertainment, current affairs, and many more. So, test your knowledge, learn something new, and enjoy the fun of discovery. Happy quizzing, everyone. I would like to call upon some of the teachers who are helping us in organizing this GK quiz. The first and the foremost are Koteshwari ma'am and Savita ma'am, who are the judge or observer. Nirmala ma'am, who has provided us with all these resources. Next we have, I request Charu sir and Shraddha ma'am to please come on the stage for the tabulation work. Sheet is inside the file. Charu sir and Shraddha ma'am. Next we have Abhishek sir and Udit sir on the scoreboard, which you can see here. Then we have Renu Mehta ma'am and Mickey ma'am for as a timekeeper. And all this decoration work has been done by our art and craft ma'am, Disha ma'am and Harneet Kaur ma'am. And I request all the other teachers to please maintain the discipline. Okay? Now before we start, the participants are going to introduce themselves by their name and the class in which they study. Starting from team A.
My name is Dax Bumla. I study in 5th E. Good morning everyone. My name is Dhairya Dubey from 6th C. My name is Anshuman Nishad from class 7th A. I am Lakshmi Kumar from 7th A. Good morning. Good morning everyone. I am Devan Singh Tivatia from class 6th A. Good morning everyone. My name is Vaibhav Singh from class 5th E. I am Atal Sharma from class 7E. I am Ayan from class 6th. My name is Lalit from class 5th E.
My name is Anand from class 5th A. My name is Sabni from class 6th D. My name is Rosa Sultana from class 7th D.
Okay, now the rules for this quizzing is total there will be 6 rounds. Okay, total there will be 6 rounds. 5 normal round and the last round will be rapid fire round. Okay? From round 1 to 5, all the 5 rounds will have 2 sets of questions. Okay? And for every correct answer, the team is going to get 10 marks. We are not passing the question to the next team. Okay? If the team cannot answer, the audience will answer. Okay? So you team members, only one answer for each question will be entertained. And no answer from the audience till we ask the audience question. आपके लिए भी questions है बेटा, don't worry. ठीक है? जब आपका पूछा जाएगा question, only then you will answer, otherwise not. And if you answer, the marks from your team will be deducted. I hope I am clear. Okay. Now the first question to team A is. माइक पे बोलेंगे आंसर, ठीक है? माइक पे बोलेंगे ताकि सबको सुनाई देगा. Which vitamin helps heal wounds and boost immunity?
The correct answer is vitamin C.
Correct. Okay. Question to team B is, which vitamin helps our blood clot when we get hurt?
The correct answer is vitamin D.
Wrong. Can the audience tell what the correct answer is? Very good. Please, ma'am, इनको ये दे दीजिएगा. Clap for her, everyone. Now, Next question for team C is, which mineral helps maintain healthy blood pressure?
The correct answer is potassium.
Yes. Yes, the correct answer is potassium. Next question for team B. Team B, your question is, name the main sugar found naturally in milk.
The correct answer is carbohydrates.
Anyone from the audience? Time. The correct answer is lactose. Lactose is the correct answer. Now one audience question. Which dry fruit is known for improving brain function?
वो गर्ल है ना ग्रीन हाउस की वो
Teachers will begin. Teachers will say. No need to say ma'am. Teachers will say. वहीं से पहले बोलिए. Yes, the correct answer is walnut. Very good. First set of questions related to food and nutrition. Now, second set of questions related again to food and nutrition. Team A, which serious condition can develop from long time calcium deficiency?
The correct answer is weakness of bones and teeth.
No. Oh, very good. Osteoporosis. Very nice.
Very good.
Clap for him. Now the second question for team B is, which disease occurs due to the lack of iodine in diet?
The correct
हाँ, बोलिए कुछ सही.
the correct answer is
Yes. The correct answer is goiter. Now, next question for team C. Which digestive disorder occurs due to lack of fiber in diet? Question for team D. Which bone disease is caused by vitamin D deficiency?
The correct answer is rickets.
Yes. Correct answer is rickets. Yes. Now for second round 2, I request Aarti Rawat ma'am for the next set of questions. Now the score is Team A 10, Team B 10, Team C 10, Team D 10. All the 4 teams are at par.
Good morning, everyone. Now the second round is current affairs. Okay? All houses are ready? So my first question is, which Indian state is nicknamed as the land of king? Which Indian state is nicknamed as the land of king?
the correct answer is Rajasthan.
Yes, the correct answer is Rajasthan. Okay, my second question for the Karyappa house. Which Indian state is nicknamed as the land of legends? Yes, which Indian state is nicknamed as the land of legends? Legends.
Maharashtra.
No, the correct answer is, anyone from the audience? This is Karyappa house. Anyone from the Karyappa house? Yes. No, the correct answer is Gujarat. Okay, my next question is for Tarapur house. Which Indian state is nicknamed as the Silicon Valley of India?
No prompting.
From Bangalore.
No. Anyone from the audience? Ma'am. Anyone from Tarapur House?
House teachers, please help.
Yes, the correct answer is Karnataka. Okay. My next question is for Abdul Hamid House. Which Indian state is nicknamed as a God's own country? I repeat, which Indian state is nicknamed as God's own country? Stop whispering, audience.
Uttar Pradesh.
No. The correct answer is, anyone from the audience? Abdul Hamid House? Yes, the correct answer is Kerala. Now the second round, who is the Home Minister of India?
Mr. Amit Shah.
Yes, it's Mr. Amit Shah. Okay, my second question for Karyappa House. Who is the Defense Minister of India? Quite a...
Rajnath Kovind.
No. Anyone from the audience? This is Karyappa House. Anyone from the audience, Karyappa House? No, it's not Nirmala Sitharaman. It's Mr. Rajnath Singh. Okay, my third question is for Tarapur House. Who is the Finance Minister of India?
No prompting.
Yes, correct. The correct answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay, my next question is for Abdul Hamid House. Who is the Education Minister of India? Okay, anyone from the audience? This is Abdul Hamid House. Yes, correct answer, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Who is the Health Minister of India? I repeat, who is the Health Minister of India? Any house? Health Minister of India? No. Anyone else? This is Mr. J.P. Nadda. And the next question for the audience. Who is the Minister of Transport India? Who is the Minister of Transport India? Anyone from the audience? Yes. Yes. Correct answer is Nitin Gadkari. Okay, now till the second round, the total score is Manik, Team A 20, 30, Team B 10, Team C 20, and Team D 10. Okay.
Now the next round is that of sports. All of us love sports. Okay? So in this first round of sports, you will be shown one picture. Very easy picture, and you have to just identify the sports person. Okay? Now, the sports person for Team A is identify. Very nice. She is Manu Bhaka, who won 2 gold medals for India in archery in Olympics. Now, question for Team B is identify. प्लेयर का नाम बताए, प्लेयर का नाम बताए। वेरी गुड, इट्स लाइक 14 बेटा दिखा दे सबको।
लक्ष्य सिंह।
He plays which sport beta? Badminton, yes. Okay, now the third sportsman for team C is बोलो दिखाइए। All of us remember this? आजकल बहुत न्यूज में भी है। 2 days back, he had scored 100 runs from Royal. And how old is he? Only 14 years old. 6 dollars आदमी है and he's representing Rajasthan Royals in IPL. Okay. The fourth sportsman for team B is
D. Gukesh.
yes. The correct answer is Mukesh. And which sport does he play? Yes. Okay, please give us some clues. कुछ clues दिए जाएंगे and from those clues you have to identify the name of the sport. आपको वो sport पहचानना है, ठीक है? Understood, beta? Some clues will be given regarding the particular sport, and you have to identify the sport, name of the sport from that clue. Okay. Team A, your clues are reverse hit, penalty corner, 16-yard hit. Yes, reverse hit, penalty corner, 16-yard hit.
And the game is football.
No, the game is not football. Manisha House. Badminton. Okay, the teacher is very eager to answer.
Hockey.
Yes, the correct answer is hockey. Yes. For team B, your clues are checkmate, stalemate, draw, blunder.
The correct answer is chess.
Yes, the correct answer is chess. Your clues are super tackle, do or die rate, all out. Basketball? No. चलिए, team B, your clues are. Please settle down everyone, beta. No murmuring, no talking. Team B, backswing, clear, feather shot.
Badminton.
Yes, the correct answer is badminton. नहीं बेटा, volley, backhand, ace, deuce, love.
उठ जा
Basketball.
बस
Play silly point gully. Power play, silly point gully. Very good. The correct answer is cricket. क्या दूसरे में दे दीजिए इसको. So this was round 3, and at the end of round 3, team A is on 40, team B is on 30, team C is on 30, and team D is again on 30. So as of now, team A is leading, and all the rest of the 3 teams are at second position right now. Now for the second set of questions, I request again R.T. Rawat ma'am.
August 2023.
Correct. It's 23 August 2023. Good, Maniksha. Now my second question is for Kadiyappa House. Audience, please be silent. Okay, my second question. What was the name of the lander in Chandrayaan 3? I request audience to be silent, please.
Rakesh Sharma.
No.
क्या बोलेगा?
Yes. No. The answer is Vikram. Be quiet. My third question is for Tarapur House. What is the name of the rover in Chandrayaan 3? What is the name of the rover in Chandrayaan 3? Yes, the correct answer is Pragyan. Give a big round of applause, everyone. Okay. Now my fourth question is for Abdul Hamid House. Where did Chandrayaan 3 landed on the moon?
South Pole.
Correct answer is near the South Pole. Give a big round of applause. Okay. Now this audience round. Are you ready, everyone? So my first is your hand only. Okay. So apart from India, how many countries have successfully landed a spacecraft on the moon? Raise your hand. Apart from India, how many countries have successfully landed a spacecraft on the moon? Sorry? You have to say how many countries? Yes, the correct answer is solar energy. Very good. Now, this is the second round of science and technology. What is the name of AI chatbot developed OpenAI? What is the name of AI chatbot developed OpenAI?
ChatGPT.
Yes, the correct answer is ChatGPT. Good, Manisha. Now the second question is for Kadiyappa House. Are you ready, Kadiyappa House? Which technology is used to create realistic images and videos with AI? Which technology is used to create realistic images and videos with AI? Audience, please make silence. No. Anyone from the teachers? Anyone from the audience? Repeat. Okay. Which technology is used to create realistic images and videos with AI? No. Okay.
Teachers.
Anyone from the teachers? Anyone from the teachers? Now audience. Beta, now this questions is for teachers now. Disha ma'am wants to give the answer. It is the generative AI is the correct answer. So my third question is for Tarapur House. What is the technology behind self-driving car? I repeat. What is the technology behind self-driving car? Audience, you have to be silent, please. Yes, the correct answer is computer vision. Okay. My fourth question is for Abdul Hamid House. What is the smart technology used in voice assistants like Alexa and Siri?
Natural language processing.
Yes. Give a big round of applause. The answer is natural. So the first question is, which social media platform changes to name from Twitter? Only raise your hand. Which social media platform changes to name from Twitter? Yes? Yes, the correct answer is X.
मैम ऐसे बच्चे को मैम चांस दीजिएगा जिसको ऑलरेडी नहीं हो.
Now the next question is, which company developed the Android operating system?
खुद ही बना ले बैन रख
Which company developed the Android operating system?
अभी मैम बताइए अभी
Anit ma'am? No. Yes, the correct answer is Google. Give a big round of applause, everyone. Now the final score is Team A
60,
60, Team B
30,
30, Team C
40, 50,
50, and Team D
50 again.
50. Okay. Now I'm going to hand over this mic to Sultana.
round, I will tell you one tagline, and from that tagline you have to identify the name of the product. Okay? Taste of India. Amul. Yes, the correct answer is Amul. Second tagline for TB. TB is कुछ मीठा हो जाए. Yes, the answer is Cadbury's. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. मैं ऑडियंस से भी नहीं पूछूंगी. नहीं मैं ऑडियंस से पूछूंगी ही नहीं. Okay. दिशा, Shraddha ma'am wants to answer. Yes, the correct answer is McDonald's. तैयारी जीत की.
Bournvita.
Very nice. It's Bournvita. Which product tagline is life good? कल्पना मैम बताएंगी कौन सा बताएंगी. The answer is LG. Life good. So, the second round of entertainment. Now, second set of questions for entertainment. In this beta, I am going to tell you a name of the movie. मैं तो movie का नाम बताऊंगी and you have to tell me on which famous personality that movie is based. किस famous personality पे वो movie बनी है. Okay? No one will prompt, no one will say ma'am, no one will raise your hand. It's only for the participants. और अगर आप अच्छे बच्चे बनेंगे तो आपको ऑडियंस क्वेश्चन भी दूंगी क्लास में. Okay? Now for team A, the movie is. Put down. Your movie is Super 30. Super 30 movie आई है. I think he was. The hero of that movie was Hrithik Roshan. You are taking, he played with Kuzo.
ये मानक शाह वाले को पूछो. मानक शाह हाउस. एनीवन फ्रॉम मानक शाह. भूमि मैम बताइए.
Favorite personality, students who cannot afford the fees for IIT or JEE, he gives coaching gave only 30. Now I'm super 30 because he gives, at a time he gives classes to only 30 students. 12 fail. Oh, 12 fail. I think there's no one who has not seen that movie. That movie is so popular, so inspiring, so motivating. Yes, IPS Manoj Kumar Sharma. He comes from a very, very humble background, and after so many trials and errors, he ultimately succeeded and got the post of IPS. Shirsha.
Vikram Batra.
Okay, Captain Vikram Batra. Top movie is Dangal.
Geeta Fogart. Ma'am,
His girls, daughters, and ultimately his daughters won medals for him. Okay, now the audience question: Chandu champion. Chandu champion. 20, Team B,
40,
40, Team C,
50,
50, and Team D,
60,
hardest natural substance on earth,
Diamond.
largest ocean in the world,
Pacific Ocean.
who invented light bulb,
Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison.
which ancient civilization built the pyramids,
Pass.
who wrote Jungle Book,
Rudyard Kipling.
correct. How many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
How many bones are there in human body?
206.
Which social media platform owns Instagram?
Pass.
Which country is known as the land of midnight sun?
Norway.
Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
Oxygen.
Correct. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids?
Egyptian.
Very nice. Which social media platform owns Instagram?
Meta.
Correct. Very good. Okay.
All correct?
Ready? Be ready? Okay. Yes. Which planet is known as red planet? Smallest continent by land area.
Australia.
Very good. Which country is famous for inventing the sport of cricket?
England.
Very nice. What is 11 square?
121.
Very good, 121. Which company created the Android operating system?
Google.
Good. Capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Correct. Largest desert in the world?
Sahara Desert.
Yes. How many rings are there on the Olympic flag?
5.
Right. Who wrote The Adventure of Tom Sawyer? If you divide 37 by 5, what remainder will you get?
2.
Yes. Who wrote The Adventure of Mark Sawyer? Tom Sawyer.
Pass.
This is the only question there. Who wrote The Adventure of Tom Sawyer?
Okay.
Time is over. So they start करते हैं. Name the closest star to Earth.
Sun.
Which gas makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Correct. Fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
Correct. Capital of USA?
Washington.
Correct.
Hey.
Who was the first man to step on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Correct. Which color card represents the most serious penalty in soccer?
Red.
Correct. Good. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Jungle Book? How many zeros are in 1000? Correct. Next prime number after 7 is?
Prime number 11.
Yes, correct. Okay. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
William Shakespeare.
Correct. What is the name of bear in Jungle Book? Okay. The correct answer is Balu. First question. Which metal is liquid at room temperature?
Mercury.
Correct. First female Prime Minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
Yes, correct. What the only even prime number?
2.
Correct. What is the only fruit with seeds on the outside?
Pass.
Who invented telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Correct. Who is the author of Harry Potter books?
J.K. Rowling.
Correct. Which company created Windows operating system?
Microsoft.
Correct. Capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Correct. How many players are there in a basketball team on the court?
5.
Correct. Largest organ in human body?
Liver.
Incorrect. What are only fruit with seeds on outside? So they had 8 answers. So they get 8 out of 10. Okay, the final score is getting prepared. I request Quotation ma'am to please come on the stage and announce the winners and the feedback of this quiz. Children, I hope you enjoyed this quiz. Next time, कोशिश करिएगा कि जो सही बैक साइड की जो
So the quiz was very well conducted and it was interesting too, and I really liked all the questions, and even the standard of the question was also too good. So keep on updating your knowledge, and this was the spirit of APS Middle Wing. Well done everyone. Thank you. Position goes to T.